The exceptional biodiversity of the Urubá rainforest makes it a natural home for thousands of tropical species. It is also a last refuge for the critically endangered Cotton Top Tamarin and Columbian Spider monkey. Unfortunately, this area has suffered extensive deforestation. We estimate less than 15% of its rainforests survive.
Aparte del Titi, que está en peligro crítico, tenemos el mono araña, el Ateles fusiceps, que está catalogado como uno dentro de los 25 primates más amenazados del planeta.
The critically endangered Cotton Top Tamarin is only known from 2,000 individuals, of which almost half are found in this new nature reserve we've helped establish. In early 2013, we worked with our experienced Colombian conservation partner Aves to secure the purchase of 7 properties that total over 5,600 acres to protect the last viable population of the Columbian Spider monkey and the Cotton Top Tamarin.
Es importante la conservación de estas áreas para su hábitat y allí ellos se pueden reproducir y los podemos contemplar libremente sueltos en su hábitat.
This is exactly the mission of Rainforest Trust, to identify the most critical rainforest lands on Earth, saving endangered species, acting quickly and securing rainforests that will be saved in perpetuity. The Titi Nature Reserve in Colombia is that example, a model project protecting over 5,600 acres and ensuring the survival of some of the most endangered wildlife on Earth.